Hi guys, are you still looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom in a really nice locations? Well, today I am at the Resort Condominium, and the unit that I am going to show you the size is about 127 square meter. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. This Resort Condominium is located just right on Canal Road. It's just opposite the Chiang Mai Convention Center, and it's also close to the city like Meyalasso Shopping Mall, Chiang Mai University, Chang Fresh Market, and many places. But before we start, let me show you around for the facility of this condominium. It has got 3 lifts that's available for the residents. The 2 lifts will be at the main entrance, and another lift will be next to the parking lot. And for the parking lot here, it's 100% available for the residents. Not just that, the security here is also really good. It has security 24-hour CC camera all around the floor, and also you will need a key card to access to the building. But not just that, it has got a lovely garden, an outdoor swimming pool, and the fitness center. Let's go check the room. So right now we are on the 2nd floor. This unit is a corner unit. It has got a mosquito screen and the wooden door. Once you walk in, you will see a modern Western kitchen, and it has got everything that you need, like built-in microwave, built-in oven, and right on my right hand side, this is a storage, very convenient. And it has got this 4-ring electric stove with the hood, and washing machine, air dryer. And what I really love about this apartment is it has got this little sitting area. It's really nice. This unit has got 3 air conditioners and 3 ceiling fans. And this area, this is an open plan living area, come with a comfy sofa, television, and the shelf. And it's got this big glass sliding door that connect with balcony. And from this balcony, you can enjoy the greenery and the view from the swimming pool. And for this area, this is dining area. It has set up very nice, and it's got this corner window, make the room very bright and nice. Next to this one, this is a 2nd bathroom. It has got a shower box that separates from wet and dry area, and the design is really nice. Next to this one, this is a 2nd bedroom that has come with fully furnished. The bed is a twin bed, I would say that way, and it's got this a corner working deck with the shelf, and it's got a really big window. Not really convenient, no, not really common to find a 2nd bedroom with a big window. And this one, you may not notice, this is a wardrobe. It's built from the floor to the ceiling. Very nice. And for the master bedroom, it's really big. The bed is about 5 foot with a big window. It has got a ceiling fan, built-in furniture. This is a wooden furniture really nice. With wooden sofa, and it has got the door that leading to the balcony as well. So this unit has 2 balconies. And this area, this is a walk-in closet, very big mirror and big wardrobe. And for the bathroom, really nice. Where can you find a bathroom that you can get a big window like this? Comment below. This bathroom has got a bathtub, night shower, and night decoration. So that's it for today. The size of this unit is 127 square meters, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, fully furnished and ready to move in. The location is really good and great facility. So for more information, please comment or call me below. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss a great property from us. I'll see you next time. Bye!